just here at Willow Warbler 3 and all the telltale signs that the fledgling's out there now successfully. Superb. Aye. Great stuff. Yeah. Willow Warbler's out of there. That was Willow Warbler 3 and it's magnificent. Just a look in at this linnet here. This was the one last week I'd seen building it up, and you can see all the inners in there, and it's got its clutch of 4 in there now. Yeah, I watched both birds come back in. The male set up on top and the female flew into this little section of gorse, and I had that early build of a nest last week, but great to see it. Right, we'll get out of here. Look at them beauties. I peered down and in last Tuesday. It's Monday today, and the bird, the bullfinch female, was sitting down on this clutch. Obviously she's not in here, but as you can see there, this one had a clutch of 5. 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4. Stunning. So pleased with that. Aye, some stunning eggs that. Clutch of 5 I found that with. Left it for a little while, and as I say, last Tuesday I'd peered in, seen the female on, backed off. But Monday today I've come in, and that's a development of the chicks, which are pretty size. Aye, right, we'll get out. Good stuff. Yeah, just looking in here, and this is the dunnock I found last week, clutch of 6. Fantastic, and it looks like the chicks have hatched out there. I can certainly see 4, but I think 4 hatched there, which is great news. Again, 2 or 3 days old, really. We'll get out. I found this song thrush last week with clutch of 4. As you can see there, all 4 have hatched and a few days old. Good. Right, we'll get out of here. That's great news. At the song thrush. Great stuff. We'll get out. You know, I've been listening to some willow warblers in here. See if I could get any to come in. It's just all this very low-lying gorse. But you'll probably hear the willow warbler there as well. And I'm checking all this very low to the ground gorse underneath, and just looks up and glances up, and there you are. Linnet. Nice. What, 1.5 foot off the deck. Very low. High. All this little bits of gorse. Hoping for a little willow warbler. No. Linnet. Right, we'll get out. I tucked under there, that was Jiffy 10. And you can see out. Aye. Good. Took some finding actually that again. Beauty. Right, we'll get out of here. That was great. Just having a look in there in the robin nest this week, and you can see chicks are not that old. Well, they might have been a touch bigger than this, but aye. And I can't see how many he's in, but that's absolutely brilliant. Right, I want to put its little overhang back in because it's fantastic. Brilliant. Right, we'll get out of here. Just there, eggshell. I just put that just for a little bit of scale, but anyone out there recognise that? There it is, up on the moorland, and I don't know. Aye, no idea. Right, we'll get out of here. Just flipped it over there, so you can pretty much see it's the whole egg. Is in effect coloration. Right, out. Just did the little bridge where the tunnel is, just watching the swallows go in there. Very playful, both of them in and around the nest, which I found I've come across last week with the clutch of 5. Hi, both parents going in there. There's a lot of play in there. It'll be interesting to find out, because I've never been in to see if it has got young. But anyways, I've got my eye on this little fish in here. I've zoomed that. I don't know, maybe it's getting a touch of glare off the water. Hey. It's just rejected something there. Is back. Any eagle eyes out there? Know what that was? It's more of a pool here. It's not fast flowing. Faster. There, about this little pool where it's been. Right there, it's back. Just catching all the nutrients flowing downstream. About an inch. Fascinating, this little fella. Just back here at the pied wagtail's nest. We've seen this last week with the chicks in there. It's a few days old. 5 it did have. See the development of them now. They're little beauties. Hunkered down there as well. Brilliant. Right, I think we'll get out of here because the parent will be back. It was great setting the camera up last week. I watched the pied wagtail in at a 15-minute section, and it was in a good 8 times. Aye. So, aye, hunkered down now. Right, we'll get out. Just back to check on the swallow's nest. And I've been watching these from the top. Well, I'm saying the top, just a little bit further up and full of play. I'm just interested to see if it was coming in feeding chicks, but no. Just obviously full of play. Well, incoming, right. We'll get out of here. You probably heard the swallows back in the little tunnel. Amazing to watch. Be great to set camera situation up here, this little tunnel either side. Would be magic. For someone with the right equipment, of course. Just like I say, the little bit of activity I was watching from further up there was amazing. There's 2 swallows coming in together in the tunnel. Amazing stuff. It's just a beauty. I love that. Other side of the tunnel. He's incoming, right. Get out now.